guys. Took me less time than I thought to get here. Oh, I might want that. This was I tried this the other. Oh shit! Some of my. Come on, man, let go. Some of my cleanup. Proof that I do leave it cleaner than I find it. Always carry high quality tool. Terrible Adam Sandler impersonation. I'm sorry, Adam. If you heard that, please forgive me. Though I doubt you did. All right. Need any of that shit. So just take one rod. Clip my pack here. It's tidbit nipplier here. So I'm going to leave my jacket on. I've actually caught stuff. I've hooked into a huge one. Look at this. Come on. Really? Like, whoever did that, fuck you. See a beaver or something. I've caught a huge pike right here. I've hooked into a huge muskie right here before too. They sit in this hole here. Sometimes. Well, something just came off the bottom when I got close to it. If that's one might be one of the. I've been seeing some juvenile muskies in here. Real. I mean, maybe 12 inches. You know, it's little fuckers. Just right at that bank there. They vibrate up and down in this. You guys can't see it, but there's a hole right there. Ooh, what was it? Ooh, what was that? All right. I want to come at it like this here. Well, there's something down there. Might just be a sucker though. It's probably a sucker. I have to reel it just so I feel it chattering. Oh, I can't quite see what is right there, so I'm gonna guess. I'm gonna guess sucker. There's a couple spots along here. We'll go all the way out to the lake. I'm gonna show you guys some beautiful scenery here. This is actually standing in the water right there. I did a video the other day. I went, ugh, people wonder why I call this place home. You know, this is that spot. up along, and it's crazy because up along underneath these trees is where I'll see these muskie. Like, I had to stop and double take the first time because, like, I saw the stripes and things of it, and then I saw the shape of the face and everything. I'm like, hang on, that's a muskie. And sure enough, it was. And I was tried to reach him. I'm like froze because it hadn't noticed me. There are suckers in here still. There's a bunch of them. And I tried to get my phone, but it saw me and it took off. That would have been the ultimate catch on camera situation, though. The way he was just chilling. It was so cool. It's been all kinds of... What I like the most... Now, there's differences here. Fishing in Florida, fishing in Michigan. Now, fishing in Michigan, I can stand in the river. I can walk out across the frickin' river if I really want to. But you see somebody left a fishing lure in the river. It's just a matter of... If you guys can see how cool that... It's just a matter of hopping in and getting it if you want it bad enough. Quite often, I actually do. I keep towels and stuff in my car just because I appreciate free lures. This is one of the spots that I'm gonna come out with. I gotta come out here with my Cat 3s and get some footage. This current makes it easier. You get right in the water with your underwater camera. And it makes it easy to film footage, film fishing lure footage, especially in a current. But yeah, in Florida, if I lose a lure in the water, I'm not going for it. If I lose a lure in the water here, I'm probably going for it. And if I see somebody else's lure in the water here, I wonder why they didn't go for it, and then I go for it. In Florida, if it's in the water, it's in the water. I'm not swimming for a $5 lure to have an alligator take a bite out of my butthole, you know? It's not worth it. Oh, I think you guys can get a hint of how beautiful where I'm at is. That, in case you're wondering, is Lake Michigan. It's off in the corner there. Got lots of nice little spots like this. Oh yeah. I'll tease you for a second before I fish this corner on the river here. It's a red-winged blackbird. Pretty. Look at that. Oh! Glorious Lake Michigan. And no, I'm not being a smartass or nothing. I fucking mean that. It's glorious. I demand you be jealous, or I'll smite you in your lack of jealousy, motherfucker. I'm a terrible smartass, I know, I'm sorry. If there's anybody there, I appreciate you fishing with me. I'm probably not going to catch anything. Usually on these random fishing trips, I'll catch like one. If I'm lucky, because I'm not really... I need to get my live trap out and get a bucket of chubs and get some good pike fishing in. I have to get out to my secret pike hole, which isn't going to be a secret when I go this time, because I'm going to crank my live camera on and take you guys and show you where it's at. And the lengths I go to ooh, I got a fish. I got a fish, guys. I got a pike, I think. Yep, no, I got a fucking beast of a smallie. Ooh, boy. Come here, baby. That's a... Oh. You guys, that's a PB. That's a PB smallie right there, boys and girls, and I don't have a scale with me. Oh my God. Look at that chunk. As I'm sitting here going, we're not going to catch any fish. This is, I don't know, 4 or 5 pounds, 3 or 4 pounds. What do you think? Absolutely gorgeous smallie. All right, baby. Thank you for your time. Let's get you back in the... Look at that red eye. This camera gets it all too well. All right, baby. Oh my. I just got a PB and no scale. See you later, baby. That is... Oh, she's just kind of hanging out. Oh. Mahogany, boys and girls, mahogany. My scale was in where I had my water bottle, and it's not in there anymore. Oh, fuck you, really? Check that out. Oh well. Oh well. You know what? It was just for me. Oh, fuck, that was beautiful. That was so beautiful. Oh. I honestly didn't, the way he hit that was not very hard. That was, oh man. New PB. Oh, thank you guys for being here for that. My unfiltered, genuine happiness, I hope, was enjoyable for you guys. Now you know why I do it. Oh my God, that was a beautiful fish. That was just, There's these moments where you capture this high, this zen in life. And I tell you what, here we are. There's mine. I'm fucking all kinds of emotional. This is why I want to teach. This is why I like sharing what I love doing. God. Holy shit, that was a nice smallie. Cracked a new PB, and I thought I didn't have my scale because it fell out and was hanging on the side of my backpack. Oh. I couldn't have been any more glorious of a catch. Oh shit. What is that? Oh boy. Oh, you guys. Check this out. Oh, please follow my shit. Oh boy. That's big. That is really big. That is really, really big. I don't think it's gonna do it. Oh, come on. I can't see it now. I can't see where that just went. There is a massive something. It's either a small pike or I mean a small muskie or a big pike. I'm gonna see. I can't tell if it's still in that spot. These glasses don't give me perfect vision in this water. Oh, I see it. I see it. Ooh. Oh boy. That's a massive steelhead. I don't have anything on that it's going to be interested in biting, I don't think. I'm about to hit right in the face of it though. Oh boy. Yeah, she ain't going to bite this. But I can see her. Oh, that is a pike. Ooh, that's a pike. Oh, I want to try to get it to bite here. Alright, we're going to try to get this thing. It keeps getting closer and closer. Take it. Come on, take it. Oh, I keep getting right in its face. It's huge. I can't tell. It might be a steelhead. It's hard to see the... I can't tell what it is. Beyond that, it's massive. Might just be a big sucker. I think it's a big sucker. It ain't interested in my shit at all, though. That's for damn sure. Abandon ship. Oh well, I had to try. You see a fish that damn big, you don't give up on it. As long as you can see the fucker, right? You know what I'm saying. Oh god, I'm still riding that buzz off that smallie. Ugh. It had to have been 4 or 5 pounds. I really wish I would have realized where my scale was at. But that just means it was one for me. And nobody else. Which we have to have some of those once in a while. Don't make everything for everybody, you know? You gotta have some for you. And just for you. Sometimes this gets their attention right here too. I don't know what all else might be in this hole right here, but I want to give it a couple, just this one more cast, and then we got another corner I can fish on. Oh god, that was a good fish. Alright. There's loons out here. Beautiful. Like, oh my god. How can you... Then you wonder why this is my therapy? Do you really? Hell no. Nobody should. It should be fairly obvious why it's my therapy, boys and girls. Because damn. Oh, that's creepy. There's a whole bird carcass hanging in a tree. Parts of fish. All right. The mouth of the Carp River, which runs out of Paradise Lake. Sometimes confused for Carp Lake because there is a town, little village on Paradise Lake called Carp Lake. Ooh. Oh, that's a sucker. I don't care about you. Suckers aren't going to bite a lure. I caught one the other day. I don't know how I had it snagged by the mouth, but I did. It's like when I cast upstream and drag towards me. Sometimes if I'm have too heavy of a lure, it drags on bottom, and these front-facing hooks on these chatterbaits, it ended up in the mouth of a sucker somehow. It was like the craziest. Like, I just scared minnows. I should cast back over there again. If there's minnows hiding up in there, there's something that might eat them right in the deep spot in front of it. Yeah, right there. I mean, at least one fish has wanted to eat this chatterbait, and that was you can't, no matter who you are, you can't deny that was a beef of a smallie. I really love that son of a bitch. Like, I should have, if I wasn't live with you guys, should have stopped and took some pictures with that sucker, but I've got some good video of it. The camera on this S22 is actually pretty beastie. Oh wow, there's a carp right in front of me. A good 16, 17 pound carp. Maybe more, 20 pound. Avoiding my hook. That was a big carp. That was bigger than my PB carp. I don't need multiple PBs in one day. Although that was definitely a new PB smallie for me. Oh, that was a beautiful fish. I'll let the court of public opinion guess the weight. I don't know what it would even be, you know. I'm just happy not skunked today. And if you know it was your PB, at the very least, do not despair then. Is that a dead minnow I see? Or a lure? Dead minnow. I'd prefer to see a lure. Now sometimes right here, it'll freak you out, but you'll catch a massive muskie just hanging out in this water. And sometimes right here it's not even a foot deep, and they'll be in here traversing through. It's super crazy. And usually the mouth of this river is actually half what it is right now. Oh, I can't wait to edit out some clips of that smallie. I'm surprised the mouth is so deep right now. People message me and shit. I'm just kind of ignoring it. I can hear it, but not checking it. Come on, Pike, where are you? I know you're out here. I'll wait out here a little bit. Just don't want to get my pockets wet. So right now is the time of night to be doing this. As you guys have seen now, there are some nice fish in here. And how that carp just transitioned into here right through here, so who knows what else might be lurking around. The lake, Paradise Lake, that this is associated with is a nice little spot. Some resort cabins and rentals out there you can rent. I don't think there's any campgrounds on it or not. There could be. I don't quite recall, to be honest. The only campgrounds I'm really familiar with are the two I drive by on my way to work. Wandering out along the edge here of this dark water. Might catch another traveling smallmouth. Gosh, that was a fucking tank. Made my day. See, that's usually what happens to me. Is I'll fish for a few hours. Ooh, I just saw something follow my bait. I'm not done casting right here, obviously. I'll fish for a few hours, get one, maybe two fish in that fashion, and then that's it. I don't catch a million fish or anything like that, you know? But I do pretty good when I do get them. I get nice ones. Hear a bunch of crickets somewhere. A little swampiness over that way, I think. What was that? That'd be crazy if a muskie was right out there and ate one of those ducks in front of us. There's some crazy species of ducks right there right now. Don't know what the hell they are. Pretty. Really pretty. We're going to start making our way back. Oh, now that I can stand in this water, I'll be able to wade out to my favorite fishing spot. It's up over this way. Actually, off over that way. Around the corner. Around the corner in a different bay along the straits here. I gotta wade out and waist deep water with rocks and boulders and stuff to this break wall, and then there's a hole in between the break wall and the beach that's full of smallmouth like one I just showed you, and pike like my PB 12-pounder I caught there. Man, that surprised me. I keep thinking that's twice now. The largemouth I caught the other day, the way it bit was kind of a sluggish thump like a pike. I'm like, oh, I got a pike, yay! And then I started seeing it. I'm like, oh, it's a bass. Because at first I'm like, oh, it's not going to be a very big pike. And then I got it in and it was that bass. Well, then like that smallie, that looked like a healthy one, right? It didn't fight like one. It fought more like a pike. A small pike, granted. But I was expecting a 12 or 13 inch pike, something like that. You know? No. That was a good 4 or 5 pound smallmouth. Leave it to me. Catching beasts. Anytime along here, something could snack up on your shit. You never know. I'm surprised actually. Usually smallies get... Whoa, I'm sinking. Whoa. Smallies will see like steel ears. Ooh, there's a water moccasin. That's actually a bad boy. That's actually one of the nope-nopes. I was standing there fishing a little bit ago. Imagine that. Alright, we're gonna just fish all our same spots back. I'm not even gonna change lures or nothing. Oh, there's a school of minnows right there. I don't know where that big ass carp went to. I wish you guys could see as well as I can in the water right here. There's probably 30 or 40 sucker fish swimming right here. I don't want to... Hold on. Test how waterproof my phone is. I'm hoping, because somewhere along in here is where that bigger pike looking fish went. Oop, I'm snagged on something on the bottom. Oh, I got her. Cast here a couple more times and then just hit all the bends on the way back. We might still catch a pike or a muskie on our way out of here. Is that a morel? Oh, hang on. Oh, no. Alright. Fish right there. Well, I guess if all I get out of it is a new PB Smallie, I fucking scored, huh? I'm really thirsty. Oh, God, that is beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Tell you what, sometimes life can seem like shit, and then sometimes you just gotta find a spot like this, you go and get a little nice perspective on how sometimes it can feel pretty fantastic. Alright. Ooh, I saw you. You're not. That looked like a walleye. I mean, it could have been, I suppose. That was a good cast. Sometimes I cast fantastic, sometimes I cast like shit. What's that one? Really good audio. Sometimes maybe good. Ooh. Oh God. There's another smallie right there. Oh boy. I'm gonna get hit again. I've got a smallie thinking about smacking my lure again. I'm gonna drag it faster. When you see it and it doesn't fucking do it. Oh man, he came up and like darted at it and then turned away from it. Oh, one probably that was just as big. Let's change up the reel. Let's change up how we're reeling, shall we? No, you don't like it like that. He might be gone now. He went at it twice and then disappeared. Oh, that was crazy. If I got two that nice, like, oh, where'd you go? You sexy beast of a smallie. Ugh. I think that might have even been the same damn fish. Which would be crazy, right? Oh. I think she's gone now. She gone now. Let's try some different methods of retrieval in the same area to see if maybe that lovely Betty that was just right here hasn't completely left the area. But I think she's completely left the area. Ooh. What was that? Something. Ooh. There's something darting around after my shit here. Hoping maybe I'll catch it. I'll tell you what it is here momentarily. Switch spots here and see what happens. I didn't realize I had so much daylight left. That's fantastic. Fantastic news. I'm obsessed now. Oh. Shit. I see. Okay. That would be crazy if I catch the same fish again doing this, but I might. Don't mind catching another one. I don't know if I have any other of my chatteries with me. I think I have a blue one. Ooh. Something across the way is making some minnows jump. I think I'm going to see if I've got that blue chatterbait. If I do, I want to see if I can get this son of a bitch to bite more than once. Ooh, I see something big over there swimming in the... Alright. We're going to change out here. I don't remember what's happening here. Well, I mean, it was. Let's get some hydration here, too. Question. Where did I leave it? I don't recall it. Either of them being in any of these boxes. It's just gonna suck. And they're not. Let's see if I got one in here. I want stuff that's geared towards smallmouth. Ooh. Perfect. I don't know if you can hear that or not, but the jig head inside that has a rattle in it. I gotta take that piece of string off there. Alright. That smallie's still in this area. that I just saw a minute ago. It's gonna like this. These are smallie. I call tube jigs smallie crack. Shit. If you can get your fucking get your thing through there, you'll be fine. There we go. Boom. Ah! Sticking my frickin' reel in the sand. It's always good. That. There. This is probably the dumbest idea I had. Unless it fucking works, I guess. Let's see. Where do you think it went? See, I should just left the chatterbait on, but I'm gonna cast here a few times with this to amuse myself. I'll put the chatterbait back on and continue out of here. I just can't see a smallmouth like that and not put on their favorite food. Although obviously not favorite food if it ate the chatterbait and not this. Right? Can't really call that a favorite. What was that? Oh, got one. Knew it. Ooh. It is a small, you got bigger. Oh, baby. I got a scale for you. I got a scale for you, my friend. Oh. Custom me fishing here. Guys. What are we guessing? What are we guessing on this football? And then I'm ending my live so I can take a picture with this beef. Don't you fucking dare. Ugh. She just tried to shake off. Almost made it. Fuck. Okay. I'm seeing 3.4. I gotta get this girl back in the water. Alright. Later, guys.